my keeper at all times, Lord. I shall not lack with your provision. In the green meadows of your living word, you restore my weak and weary soul. The good shepherd for everyone, you are my Lord and my God. Your presence is a comfort, strength, and joy at all times, my shepherd and my Lord. You are more faithful than a good friend. I'll fear no evil because of you. When I falter and fall short every day, you are my righteousness before God. The good shepherd for everyone, you are my Lord and my God. Your presence is a comfort, strength, and joy at all times, my shepherd and my Lord. In your goodness, you laid a table that anyone willing may fill his cup. You fed the hungry and quenched all the thirsty. Your riches and righteousness overflow. The good shepherd for everyone, you are my Lord and my God. Your presence is a comfort, strength, and joy at all times, my shepherd